So wok hei is the sear, the point of searing the food, so you get that carbon flavor. So if you over sear it, it starts burning. If you under sear it, the oil is it doesn't actually coat the doesn't actually burn into the food. So this is what you're working on. So what you do is just cut off the ends first like this, and then just give it a little slit lengthwise. So once you cut the onion like this, it's good to add flavor, also good for you. Onions is an aromatic, so when you stir fry it brings lots of flavor. So you have the onion here, so when you cut off the bottom it actually stands. Cut a little more piece off there. When you have the onion like this, it actually stands on the flat side. So just cut the onions like this. So the only thing I need to remember is just cut it roughly the same size, so even cooking. But if you cut it different sizes, it doesn't matter. But just to keep in mind. So right there is like that. And then you have the other onion, other half of the onion. Just cut it like this if you like. Ginger is a real good ingredient for stir fry, because it's I think it's antifungal. So we have the ginger here. Just take off the skin. Some people don't want to take the skin off. You can just wash the ginger. So just cut it into slices like this. I like to keep my ginger in large slices. So I'm gonna sear the wok, so large sliced ginger doesn't burn as fast. So otherwise, if you chop it up real fine, it might disintegrate the ginger. And then I'm going to put some garlic in there. Garlic is a good ingredient for stir fry. It's also aromatic, so it brings a lot of flavor. I like to smash up my garlic to bring up the flavor, so I use this cleaver. See, like that. So the cleaver will bring up all the flavor. I like to keep the garlic in large pieces, so a lot of times I don't even chop it up. I prefer actually just to cook it whole. So there you go. So now we're ready for the stir fry. I put it up almost at high heat. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Oh, sorry. Did I hit you? Sorry. I'm used to just burning myself. So cook your aromatics first. So I also include some celery at this time. Add a dash of salt at this time. The secret to good stir fry for veggies is to pre-cut your veggies in the same size. So here I have one of my favorite veggies, the zucchini. You can add your own favorite veggies. So the secret is to make sure the heat is on high to sear in the flavor of the veggies. I add some sliced red pepper for color. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of regular soy sauce.
Wait, one more time? I don't think it...
Okay.
Here I have tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce. To finish the stir fry, I add a few dashes of sesame oil. It brings out a nice nutty flavor and terrific fragrance. So how do you know you have wok hei? It's when you stir fry your veggies, you have that carbon sear, and it'll be delicious. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.